That is so funny. I did not order this. What is this? What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? My name's Eric McKinley. Welcome to my channel. Today I've got an unboxing video. This is my very first pen display tablet, so I am so excited. This is the XP Pen Artist Pro, the 13.3 inch screen. And it is the 16th anniversary edition. So I got it for a little bit cheaper. I got it for, I think $239 in tax. But it comes with a bunch of extra stuff as well. I completely forgot what it came with, so we're gonna find out today. So without further ado, let's get into it. Gorgeous. Right. Wonderful. Yes, it is the holiday edition. It's like Christmas, the holiday edition. It's only September. What? I think this deal is still going on, by the way. I think it ends somewhere mid-September. Somewhere mid-September. Sure. Wow, look at this. All right. Come on, baby. Come on. All right, wow. Gorgeous. So. Looks like we get a poster. Beautiful. The art is wonderful. Bearbrick Gia. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Awesome. Look at this. And we have the tablet. There she is, the Artist Pro 13.3 inch. Beautiful. Let's see what else is in here before I unwrap this. Woo. This looks like the stand for it. Comes with a pin holder, and I think there's extra nibs in here for that as well. Check that out. Let's see. Yes. The XP Pen. Yes, and there are extra nibs, pen tips. Awesome. I'm so excited. I'm so freaking excited. All right, let's see. There is a Phoenix jigsaw puzzle, 160 pieces. That is awesome. That's right, I remember reading about that. No? Fine. Don't focus. And these are stickers to put on your buttons to instantly, your hotkey buttons. If you're new to that, I'm kind of new to it, but at the same time, I don't think I need them. But it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool that they come with it. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Quick guide, probably won't even need this. The glove. There's no love without a glove. Yes, this is for drawing on said tablet. Warranty, thank you for supporting. And then your connections. Here, before I get into that, what do we have here? I think these are for the stand. Pieces are for the stand. And we have power brick. All right. So I also have another package here. And this is because me personally, I looked into the setup for this, and I have a MacBook Pro that came out in 2017. And the only connections I have are these little USB-Cs on the side. That is it. And then a spot for some headphones. I know, crazy. So I'm so glad I looked at a video ahead of time because I needed an adapter. I think this thing connects with 2 USBs and an HDMI to your computer. So you're gonna need 2 USB slots and an HDMI slot available on your computer, which I had none. So I'm gonna be opening up this in a second. It's not that important, but it's just the adapter that you would need if you do not have those ports. Bridging off of this. This is your HDMI. Yeah, so that's your HDMI. If I can untangle these. Your 2 USBs, and then this guy plugs into the tablet. And connect with red USB cord, this says. So this connects to your red USB cord. Okay, cool. Glad it says that. All right. I'm gonna open this first, really quickly. I don't know why this is so big. I don't know why there are 2 packages here, so let's see what this is. That is so funny. I did not order this. What is this? Is this a automatic soap dispenser? I didn't order this. That's so funny. I'm hoping that this is my adapter. I think this is my adapter, but I don't know why this was an automatic soap dispenser in here. I don't know if this thing was free with purchase. I don't know why. Literally, the only reason I got this adapter is because it was $8. So I had other options, like $16 adapters. I went the $8 one, I don't know. I didn't think I would need to get an expensive adapter. It's just an adapter. I can't believe I got a free soap dispenser. That's so weird and crazy. Yes, okay. Here is adapter. I got a 6-in-1 USB hub. It has 2 USBs, a USB-C, HDMI, SD card. Yeah, it's got a bunch. TF card. But yeah, I'm gonna need that for my computer. But weird, free soap dispenser. I don't know where that comes from. That's so weird. I was wondering why this package was so big. All right, let's take out the tab. Let's bust out the tab. I'm hoping this just peels off. Come on now. No, don't do that. Don't do that. It's like, rip this one, idiot. There it is. There she is. Satisfaction. Satisfaction. And there she is. Nice and light. I like this. Yeah, I really like this. It's nice and light. These are your hotkeys over here. You can program your hotkeys for whatever program you're using. If you're using Photoshop or Clip Studio Art or Clip Studio Paint, whatever program you're using has its own hotkeys, and you program those yourself to whichever buttons you want here. And they even have little, it's kind of like Braille. So without even looking, while you're drawing, you can just move your hand up and down and hit your hotkey, whatever you may need. So that's pretty cool. This is amazing. I can't wait to set this up. I'll probably show you guys how to set it up once I connect it to my computer and all that, and I'll screenshot all that and show you. All right, so I've got the Pen Display tablet all hooked up. It's incredible what you can do with these USB-Cs. The HDMI on this is at the end, and the power cable is the one with the red USB that hooks in down there to the power brick. Then one of them hooks right, the other USB goes right back into the adapter, and then comes along here and plugs right into the tablet. And then the tablet just sits. It just rests nicely. It's got some grips on there. It just rests nicely on the stand it comes with. Feels very comfortable. All right, and you have to download the software for the pen tablet on their website, so I will show you that. Right, so we got to install the driver for this thing. We're gonna go ahead to xppen.com. You're gonna go to support. You are gonna go to drivers. You're gonna scroll down and find our model. Here are the drivers. This is a new user interface driver. Download. And just let that download. Okay, then you're gonna click it, and open it. You're gonna agree. Go ahead and get this out of the way here. Okay, so I'm gonna switch screens here. Right, so when I did that, this popped up on my tablet screen, and I think I'm gonna have to drag. Yep, sounds right. when I just did that, it popped up in my other screen here. So here we are, Artist 13.3 Pro. This is where you adjust your settings. I'm honestly not going to touch anything because I don't really know what I'm doing. So I'm just going to go through it. Obviously you can edit this stuff later. So yeah, there's a clicker on the pen. You can hotkey, add a hotkey to either of these, whatever you want it to be. Yeah, your pen pressure, you can edit that. I'm gonna leave it how it is for right now. I can edit that later, depending on how I feel about it. Let's see. Here's your shortcut keys. Wow, this is the new user interface apparently. Because this isn't how some of the other videos have looked. Yeah, this must be that new user interface that I just downloaded. But yeah, right here you can edit all those keys right off the bat. I'm not very familiar with the program I'm going to be using, so I'm not sure what I want yet. So I'll figure that out. The roller that is in the center. Yeah, you can adjust your brush size or do whatever you want with that. Okay, so you want to calibrate your screen like I just did. I had to click between these. I didn't realize that before. Alright, so what we're going to need to do now is edit our display settings. So as it stands, this is our main monitor, our computer, and then my tablet's my second monitor. We want to change that because as it stands, if we click on our art program that we're going to use, it's going to come up on the computer and we're not going to be able to draw on it. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to our system preferences. We're going to go to displays, and then we're going to go to arrangement. Now these are your two monitors. This one's my tablet and this one is my computer. Now this little white bar here indicates which monitor is your primary monitor. You're going to want to take this bar and drag it over and drop it onto your tablet monitor. That way this one becomes your primary monitor. When you bring up any programs, they will default come up on this screen. Same with Chrome or YouTube, anything you want to bring up, it will now come up on this screen and you can drag those programs. You can drag to your computer. That way you can watch YouTube videos or look at reference photos while you use your art program on your tablet. Now, alternatively, you can also use mirror displays. Now this will mirror your art program onto both screens. You won't be able to look at any references from the internet or YouTube videos when you do that, but that is also an option. So yeah, what you're gonna do is just drag this over here and make that your main monitor. I'm not gonna do it here because it's gonna switch my screens and ruin my recording. But yeah, you're gonna need to do that to draw on your tablet while looking at reference photos or YouTube videos on your computer. All right, and from here we should be good to go. I'm just gonna go ahead and open Clip Studio Paint, whichever program you're using. Click on Paint, and here we are. Also, something I wanna make you guys aware of, this color picker was it was set to white right when I started, and I thought the pen wasn't working. But yeah, and it took me a second to figure that out. But yeah, there you are. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you all in the next one.